Dear guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching a video on property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. Property location is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lot of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and
Category 4. Category 5.
Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen on this photo ID and checking. The property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Yes, rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various payment plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Booking or more details, check the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can help us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box.